Hello, friends. How you doing? JJ Barrea, English for Real Life. Okay, so did you know that the word hot has many meanings? And by many meanings, I mean like 30 meanings or uses, actually, whatever you want to call it. And it's a pain in the ass, I know. So today I want to show you a uses of the word hot. Okay, the first use is when you talk about temperature, when food or liquids are hot. For example, the soup isn't hot enough. Okay, so that's it. Second one is for temperature, but we talk about the weather. So it's a hot day, so not bad. Good enough. All right. Next example or next use is when you talk about temperature again, but when you are sick, when you are ill, when you have some fever. So you're really hot. You must be taken to the hospital like right now, or you can die. Hopefully not. Okay. So we have three uses here. Next, when something is peppery or spicy, for example, Mexican food is really spicy or peppery. We like to eat tacos a lot with a lot of salsa. So imagine someone says here, well, you know what, dude? If I were you, I'm going to fix this one. There we go. Oh, sorry. If I were you, okay, here we go. I wouldn't put too much sauce. It's quiet hot. Okay, so quiet hot. So sauce is hot. Salsa in Mexico. All right. Next one is when you want to talk about a sexy person. So, for example, you can say, my new personal trainer is so hot. Got it? So that's what I mean. Sexy person. When something is very good, that's a hot recipe. So in this case, you might say it doesn't make sense because it can be like hot, like the temperature. Now, in this case, it means that's a hot recipe. It means that it's a good recipe. It's a superb recipe, good recipe. That's it. Another use for the word hot is when something or someone is popular or was popular. For example, Michael Jordan was a hot character in the 90s. So another way to say this would be Michael Jordan was a fashionable character or a very good or famous character in the 90s. Okay, and one more, the last one for today, to express sexual desire. Watch for this, be careful. Make sure you don't commit harassment, okay? So to express sexual desire. Seems like Robert has the hots on the new teacher. So in this case, we go plural. We say the hots. Or another way to say this would be Robert is hot on the new teacher. That's it. Okay. So I will make another video showing you more uses. But for now, that's it. So for my friends who speak Spanish, okay, let's go. The soup isn't hot enough. La sopa no está lo suficientemente caliente. It's a hot day. Hace calor. You are really hot. You must be taken to the hospital. Estás muy caliente. Debe ser llevado al hospital. If I were you, I wouldn't put too much sauce. It's quite hot. Si fuera tú, no le pondría mucha salsa. Está un tanto picosa. My new personal trainer is so hot. Mi nuevo entrenador personal es sexy. Mi nueva en este caso, ¿no? That's a hot recipe. Es una excelente, una muy buena receta. Michael Jordan was a hot character in the 90s. Michael Jordan era un personaje o fue un personaje muy extravagante, espléndido, famoso en los años 90. Seems like Robert has the hots on the new teacher. Parecer, Robert le quiere echar los perros a la nueva maestra. I know a way to say it. You know what it means. Okay, friends, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't get it, go back. See you next time. Take care. Follow me for more good content. Bye-bye.